Hi there! Are you an online entrepreneur, a small to medium business owner, and you are looking for someone who can help you with your administrative works? Probably you have checked my profile, that's why you're here. But before that, allow me to introduce myself. I am Cecil Castillo from the Philippines, 27 years of age, and I am a Human Resource and Admin Officer. For more than 6 years of experience, I am engaged in enforcing management guidelines by preparing, updating, and recommending human resource policies and procedures, conducting trainings, meetings, and seminars, processing employees' requests, and providing relevant information. I am resourceful, and I want to provide good quality output to my future entrepreneurs. I am technology savvy, and I am knowledgeable in all social media platforms. I am also knowledgeable in different online tools necessary to accomplish certain tasks. I am proficient in Microsoft Office such as Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and particularly in Excel. So basically, I can help you save more time by doing admin tasks and providing content and customer service. So you can have more time on planning on how to increase your revenue by generating new strategies. So if you're looking for someone who is dependable, fast learner, and motivated, please do not hesitate to contact me. My details will be linked down below. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you and God bless.